face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Y'all, it's Burn Beauty 2018, and I have a quick tip for your foundation, especially if you're a beginner. Look, I wanted to show you this because this is Lancome. It's a stick foundation, font de teint, and you can barely see it. It's such a good color match on me. On the other end of it, it has a kabuki brush, and I have found that this kabuki brush works better than any brush you own to put this in your skin. And you notice I say in your skin because I am dabbing. It's a small brush and I am pushing this foundation into my skin. I have a blurring primer on to minimize the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and my skin grafts. And I am simply pushing into my skin. Looks really pretty. It's really, really pretty. On my eyelids, I just have some eyeshadow primer. See, you just push it in. You don't want to smear. Push it into your skin, because you don't want it floating, especially when you have all these little nooks and crannies and ridges. You know, if you have grafts, even though it doesn't look like I have many raised scars, that there are a lot of nooks and crannies in there, and if you don't push it in, it's just gonna float. So, tip of the day for applying any foundation, as long as it's full coverage, Thora burns with either. I highly recommend the Lancome, and if you're a beginner, I recommend the Dermablend. The beginner to pro Dermablend, it's just a little bit heavier, and that's how pretty you can look. No filter. No nails. I just had surgery and I've been scratching my skin graft, so I'm trying to get my nails off so I don't have my normal beautiful hands, but I still wanted to show y'all how good your foundation can look. No need to bake anything, okay? Unless you're really about to perform at the Oscars or you're about to go on the stage. You really don't need to bake. So I'm putting on blurring powder. I've already used blurring primer. My face looks great. I'm gonna do some eyeliner. And we're just putting that on there. Love you. This too shall pass.